to take the risk. Now we'll talk about how to put items on your blogger landing page. What do I mean by items? When you come here, you see I'm on a door. This is the let's say you want to change all these things, put in your own things and your own designs and other things. You want let's say you sell products, any kind of product. I want to showcase it here. Now you can do this directly from your dashboard. So we'll see how to change some of these things. First of all, let's go and remove some unwanted things. We'll see Facebook. We'll remove Facebook. We do need Facebook. Do we need Facebook? There seems to be no Facebook here, so we'll remove this. Or let's remove them. Since it's a landing page, we don't need label, and we don't need a popular post. So once you've done this, let's check how our landing page is looking. It's looking nice, looking nice. Now we can change. You can change this. I love to design and put your own thing. Go to theme. Go to edit with HTML. Control F and search. This is it. Let's say backpack. That's what we saw. What else? I am change. I am this. Your best blog. And this will be cheats. Cheats designers. I will save. Okay. This thing have changed. Okay. So now you can put items like pictures and other things here. You can put pictures and other stuffs that can help you to communicate with your client. So once you are done with this, you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can dish out more helpful content like this one. Thank you.